Stomp. To step heavily on the ground, often with anger or force. Stop stomping, you will wake the baby. He stomped on the floor to show his anger. Inhale. To breathe in air, smoke, or a smell through your nose or mouth. Don't inhale the smoke, it's dangerous. I inhaled too much smoke and started coughing. Tipsy. Slightly drunk, a little affected by alcohol but not fully drunk. Don't drive if you're even slightly tipsy. I am tipsy, not drunk, I know what I'm saying. Buzzed. Slightly drunk, not fully drunk. I am not drunk, just a little buzzed. I am slightly buzzed, let's go home now. Fatality. A death caused by an accident, war, disease, or disaster. There were no fatalities, but several people were hurt. There were multiple fatalities in the car crash. Hurl. To throw something with a lot of force. He hurled the book onto the table in anger. The protesters hurled rocks at the police. Collapse. To faint or fall because of weakness. He collapsed from heat during the match. He collapsed right after crossing the finish line. Collapse. To suddenly fall down or break apart. The building collapsed in the earthquake. The bridge suddenly collapsed into the river. Borrow. To take something from someone for a short time and return it later. I borrowed some money from my brother. Can I borrow your pen for a minute? Tame. Not wild or aggressive, gentle, easy to control. Don't touch that dog, it's not tame yet. After training, the elephant became tame. Stampede. A sudden rush or movement of a large group of people or animals, usually in panic. There was a stampede at the store on Black Friday. Did you hear? 3 people died in a stampede during the concert. Wander. To walk or move around without a specific purpose or direction. I often wander around the city on weekends. She was wandering around the mall when I saw her. Refuse. To say no, to not accept, or not agree to do something. I refused the job offer due to low salary. I politely refused when my friend offered me a cigarette. Emit. To send out or release something, usually light, heat, sound, smell, or gas. The factory emits harmful gases into the air. The car was emitting thick black smoke. Scatter. To throw or spread things in different directions, so they are not together. Why is everything scattered all over the place? Please don't scatter papers all over the floor again. Scatter. To move away quickly in different directions. The crowd scattered after the concert ended. When the alarm rang, people scattered in every direction. Bury. To put something under the ground. The dog buried the bone in the sand. He buried the dead bird in the garden.